Ayan naman, magandang morning mga kabisyo. We have 9:33 on the clock. At syempre kapiling po ninyo yung maligalig babe na si Sam Babe. Mamaya po tuloy natin yung Catch 22 kabisyo dahil may mga importante lang akong bisita today. At syempre unahin ko na muna yung pinakamaganda sa lahat. Grabe, nakaka-starstruck ang ating guest. Sinulog Festival Queen and Reyna ng Aliwan 2016, Miss Cynthia Thumala. Hello?
Hello po.
Good morning. And
morning.
you are from?
From Cebu po.
From Cebu. Yes. Ayan. Kung makikita niyo lang po kabisyo, parang artistang pinagsamang Liza Soberano and Anne Hathaway.
Thank you po.
Pinagsama-sama na lahat yun. Super sa ganda. So I'd just like to welcome you here in Lucena City.
Thank you for having me.
Is this your first time to
Yes po, it's my first time.
Yeah, and the first radio station, I believe, ma'am? The first love radio station na binisita po niya
Yes.
after crowning sa Reyna ng Aliwan 2016. So how was your experience joining Binibining Aliwan?
Reyna ng Aliwan.
Reyna ng Aliwan.
Yes
So
po.
what was the experience? Ano ba mga hindi mo malilimutan sa Reyna ng Aliwan?
It was very fun, especially when the girls and I were able to go to Star City and have our stressful day off.
I love Star City.
Yes, it was so fun, and it was a moment when the girls and I became not only friends but sisters. So it's
Wow.
very memorable for us.
So ikaw ba, yung Reyna ng Aliwan, pang ilang pageant mo na nasalihan yon?
I think more than 5.
More than
Yes,
5.
yes.
So ang pinakamaganda dito kasi nakapunta ka ng Luzon and then your
Yes.
Star City. Parang bata ulit yung experience, di ba?
Super.
Ako din, no first time ko din parang bata lang din. So speaking of Reyna ng Aliwan 2016, nakuha mo ulit yung crown kasi alam ko sunod-sunod yung Cebu
Yes.
na Reyna ng
State.
Aliwan and then you win back the crown.
Yes po.
So your Cebu must really be proud of you, Cynthia.
I hope so.
So ano yung pinakatingin mo pinakamahirap na ginawa nyo, yung mga activities during the Reyna ng Aliwan?
For me, parang the most hardest thing is yung training. The training you have to do before coming here into Manila. Like you need to be mentally, physically, and emotionally ready before you step into the stage talaga.
Wow, napakagaling naman. So what are your plans after Reyna ng Aliwan? Are you planning on joining other...
I have plans, pero secret muna.
Let's
Para
see kung saan tayo
surprise.
tangayin ng alon. So in Manila, in Pasay, we have Reyna ng Aliwan for MPC, of course. At dito din sa Quezon, meron din tayong tinatawag na Binibining ni Yugyugan.
Yes po.
And I believe na doon ka kagabi to
Yes,
witness
I watched it
the
last
coronation.
night, yes po.
So may similarities ba yung Binibining Yugyugan and Reyna ng Aliwan?
Meron kasi pageant, parang
Oo.
they have swimsuit,
Tapos yung mga festive
festival costumes and evening gown. Yes po.
Ayan. So matanong ko lang, kasi interesado akong malaman kasi usually yung mga costumes ng mga kagaya sa Reyna ng Aliwan, mabibigat daw. So how heavy was your costume then? Parang kilos yata yung weight ng ma'am.
May ilaw sa akin yung costume.
May ilaw pa yung
Opo.
sayo. So gaano kabigat yun? Parang
It was heavy pero kaya lang.
pero for how many hours mo kayang dalhin yung costume?
Parang, depende pag may ilaw.
Okay. Di ba?
Kaya ko lang for like 30 minutes or 1 hour.
So bakit nagpapabigat ba yung ilaw dun sa...
Kasi may battery siya sa the back.
Oh my! Hindi naman siguro battery ng kotse?
Ay, hindi naman.
Hindi naman. Okay, so it was really hard pero syempre naman it's worth it kasi
Yes,
you are
yes
now
po.
the Reyna ng Aliwan 2016.
Yes
Palakpakan
po.
naman natin si
Thank you
Cynthia.
po.
And
Thank
she
you.
will be joining us later para po sa Grand Float Parade and Grand Street Dancing ng ng Niyugyugan
Yes.
Festival 2016. So pwede niyo po siya makita. So saan ka ba mamaya pwede nilang makita kung para mapatunayan nila kung ano sinasabi kong napakaganda po ng Reyna ng Aliwan 2016?
Sa Star Garden po.
Sa Starga. Malapit lang dito sa station. So again, Cynthia, thank you very much
Thank you for having me.
for joining us today
Thank you
and for gracing this station with your beauty. Ayan. Thank you pala
Thank
natin si
you.
Cynthia Thumala, Sinulog Festival Queen and Reyna ng Aliwan 2016.